The Village Carverall. In this video I am going to show you how to upload a video that you recorded with your phone to Google Drive. Now the first step is to review the video and then click the little share button down here. Once you've done that, you want to select Google Drive, and if it doesn't come up right away as an option, there's usually something that says more, and then you can go there and you should be able, if you scroll through all your options, you can find Save to Drive and this little symbol. Now that's what you need to take to upload the file, to upload the video. Once you tip that, highly recommend you give it a different name, not just a generic video name, but something that has to do like with what this is about. In terms of inspections, the unit number and then inspection should be fine, maybe a date, something like that, and then you just simply hit save, and then you will see it's uploading. If you swipe down from your top bar, you will see it uploading. That depending on the size or the length of the video, that can take a little while. And once it's uploaded, there you can share it with others. Right, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.